this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Telegram on Windows 10. Installing Telegram on your Windows device is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to get started. 1. Open your preferred web browser like Google Chrome and go to the official Telegram website. 2. Look for the install button on the website. Click on it to begin downloading the Telegram application. 3. The website will automatically redirect you to the Windows Store app, or you can download the file directly. Once the download is complete, the installation process will take about 2 to 3 minutes. After installation, Telegram will appear in the All Programs list of the Start menu. Click on the Telegram app from the Start menu or from the desktop to open it. You'll see a Start messaging button. Click on it to proceed to the login window. A QR code will be displayed for easy login. If you have an active Telegram account on your mobile phone, scan this QR code to sync your chats. If you don't have a Telegram account on your phone, select or log in using phone number. Provide your phone number and enter the OTP sent to your phone verification. After entering the OTP received via message, you'll gain access to Telegram on your Windows device, allowing you to start messaging just like on your smartphone. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.